Hi everyone, so in this video I wanted to show you my new wireless keyboard. This is the box it came in. That is the brand. And I like it a lot. I hope you guys like all the clicky sounds it makes. This will be a fairly short video. It did come with a charger. Okay, so here's the actual keyboard. And there's so many different light settings. But here is the sound. Alright, so I did order keycaps, and when I receive them, we'll be doing them together on video. I'm not sure how much different they'll sound than this. And this button changes the way the colors go. And I'm going to, in my next video, I'm going to get my iPad out and I will be typing and I'll be whispering what I'm typing. So I think that will be a nice video, relaxing video. Honestly, I would do a much longer video right now since it's super early and it's quiet, but it is so hot in here. And yeah, it's very hot. But for modesty purposes, I'd like to be covered in my videos. So are you liking this keyboard sound, or drop a comment and let me know what you think. And if you have any requests, I hope you like my nails. hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll see you all soon.